Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make dissolve text animation in CapCut. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to make dissolve text animation in CapCut. When you are in CapCut, click in the text tab. After that, click in the plus icon, and here just you can type the text. After that you can change the font. Okay, for example this one, and here you can change the font size. After that, click animation and be sure in. After that, just scroll down until you find dissolve. And after that, you can adjust the duration. Here is half second. Okay, just increase it to 3 seconds, for example. Yeah, it's done. This is what you need to do if you want to know how to make dissolve text animation in CapCut. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.